Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, and in today's video I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube. This is the Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna solve it very fast and see that I mixed it randomly. I'm gonna start it in 3, 2, 1, start. Guys, make sure you like, share and comment and subscribe for solving this Rubik's Cube. After subscribing, make beside that there's a bell icon, click that and set it on all. By doing that YouTube will send you a notification that I upload a video. Go and check it.
First layer completed.
First layer is completed, guys. Now we are gonna solve second layer.
Second layer also completed.
Second layer is also completed, guys. Now we are gonna solve the last layer, one and only one, the third layer. Three, 2, 1, 0. See guys, we solved the Rubik's Cube in 3 minutes. Okay, then guys, that's all go for the video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, make sure you like the video. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe and click the bell icon and set it on all option to get, because by doing that you'll get my videos notification and you can see my video first. So bye bye guys.